All right, I got a couple projects coming up. I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be using a router quite a bit. If I want to make a table for my router, something I'm using only my hand. My table saw has the top has an extension on it that slides out. I'm gonna take advantage of that and make a surface on here for the router to sit in. And I have a bunch of 1x4s laying around my shop, so I'm gonna go ahead and take advantage of that and just cut them up and glue them together to fit in there. Alright, got them all cut, so let's lay them out. Alright, I think it'll be wide enough, so let's get it glued together. Alright, I glued them together. Alright, it's been 24 hours. Alright, let's see how it fits. Alright, just need to plane it down so it's flush on top. Alright, now we can make the hole for the router to fit in. Alright, let's cut it out. Alright, now we just need to drill the holes so we can mount it. Alright, the only thing left to do on this is to inset these holes so the bolts will be flush. So let's do that real quick. Alright, before I bolt this on, I do need to cut off a little bit on the ends so the fence can slide over this. I can use the same fence as I use on my table saw. Alright, we'll see if it fits. Alright, it works. Now we don't have a fence with our router. Might need to sand it down just a little bit, but other than that, it does work. Alright, let's bolt it on. For some reason, one of these holes does not have threads, so we're just going to use the 3 for now. Alright, just bolt it on. Alright, there we go. Now we have a router table and table saw together. Take up less space in a small shop. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.